Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon reviews so you can edit or delete them. This is super useful when you want to update your opinion on a product or remove a review you no longer stand by. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down that appears, click on Account. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Now, you'll need to scroll down through the page until you locate a section called Your Content. This section houses all the digital contributions you've made on Amazon, including your reviews. Click on your content to proceed. Once you're inside, you'll notice a drop-down menu positioned at the center of the screen. Click on this drop-down and select Review from the options. This filters the page to show only the reviews you've written. Now, even though I don't have any reviews to show you right now, I'll walk you through what happens next when you do have reviews listed. You'll see all your past reviews displayed on this page. From here, locate the specific review you want to manage, whether that's editing or deleting it. Next to each review, you'll spot a three-dot icon. Click on this icon to reveal your options. If you want to make changes to your review, select Edit Review from the menu. This opens up the edit page where you can modify the text, adjust your star rating, or update any other details you initially included. Take your time making your changes, and once you're satisfied, click Submit to save your updated review. Your changes will be reflected immediately on the product page. On the other hand, if you've decided you want to remove the review entirely, click the three-dot icon again, and this time select Delete Review. Amazon will ask you to confirm this action with a pop-up message. Simply click Yes or Delete to permanently remove the review from the platform. Keep in mind that once deleted, the review cannot be recovered, so make sure this is what you want before confirming. And that's it. You've now learned how to find, edit, or delete your Amazon reviews, giving you full control over the feedback you share. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.